Hi guys, Lyndon here at the magnificent base camp of the Leopard Trail. I'm excited, I'm preparing for another Leopard Trail hike today. So I'm just going to show you quickly what I put in my day pack that I carry with me. This is a winter hike. It might not look like it, I've got sun on my face. It is a beautiful Karoo winter's day, and yet I'm still preparing for the worst of what winter can bring. So let me just talk you through it quickly. So obviously sunscreen and a hat. I'll probably be wearing the hats, but they won't go into my backpack, but they're there. I always take with me a roll of tape. Now normally duct tape is my preferred. You'll be amazed at how many times I have used duct tape on the trail, not necessarily always for myself, but for other people. When a bag breaks or shoes start splitting, we just tape it up. So this is just one of my quirks. I always hike with some form of tape. Very importantly in winter or summer, I am preparing for the possibility that I might be stuck on the trail overnight. If something happens and goes wrong, which might not ever happen, but I still want to be prepared. So we really like using the survival bags. You know, we used them a few months ago when we had a hiker on the trail who injured his back and we had to overnight because the helicopters couldn't get in because of the weather. So always have some form of survival bag in your day pack, really important. Because this is a winter hike, I have got gaiters inside my bag, which I will wear every morning. Now, even when the weather is perfect, there will always be a lot of dew on the grass in the morning. And what gaiters do is they keep your shoes and the bottom half of your pants dry when you're walking through that early morning grass. And then you can take them off after a few hours once there's no more dew if it's not raining. That makes a huge difference for me. I don't like walking with wet shoes, wet socks and wet pants at the bottom. So having gaiters that just protect your shoes and pants from the dew, really important in my day pack. Next, summer or winter, always have a rain jacket. This is a very thin one. In winter, I tend to hike with 4 layers, a t-shirt, then a long sleeve thermal, then a puffer jacket and a rain jacket. So my rain jacket, thin but fully waterproof. A puffer jacket, which I won't be wearing today, but often in winter if you start you might be wearing. My medical kit and my bandages. Now my day pack has a built-in water bladder, so that's already in here, and then I will add my food and extra things as I pack it. That's it. I hope you have a fantastic hike.